Good King Wenceslas looked out on the feast of Stephen, when the snow lay round about, deep and crisp and even.
You don't get to see Alex today because she's not properly dressed. You need to be properly dressed for this calendar opening. Well, like me in my pineapple shirt. Lovely, isn't it? Again, you've seen it before. Oh, I'm reusing clothes here. Yeah, I probably used up all my wardrobe. Anywho, here's 22 and we need to find 23. So let's follow the trail there. It's another short one, but never mind that, because it's beer and I never figure out which way to open these ones. There it is. By the way, I'm doing my best to hide all the mess behind this calendar. We've been wrapping presents. I hope you don't see anything. Just focus on the calendar. Don't look at anything else, okay? You can look at the Santa, that's okay. Okay, where was I? 23, it goes with cookies. Ooh, what's this? What's this? It's a Marvelroast. Oh. Imperial Golden Ale with coffee. Cocoa nibs, vanilla and milk sugar. They couldn't stop at the coffee, they had to add stuff. So, December 23. How is this gonna be? How is this gonna taste? Is it gonna be the best beer ever? No, that was yesterday. There's not gonna be any better one than this. Oh, oof. Oh God. Do you remember the chocolate one that you said smells like chocolate or taste? Smell this one. Yeah, she may not be in the picture, but she can participate anyway. Yeah, I'm seeing some nods from the couch here. It's like, ooh, what a wrinkled face. Wish you could see it, but I can see it.
It actually smells pretty similar to the chocolate one.
It smells similar to the chocolate one.
Yeah, and tastes similar to.
Oh. My taste buds might have been broken that day. My sense of smell is working, so let's give it a shot. It's not as full as dark as the chocolate one, but it tastes like candy almost.
Yeah.
Coffee with milk-ish, with a little chocolate. Sorry, I'm just looking at her, not at you. I need to pay attention to what I'm doing, right? I never do. Well, it's not the best, but it's not the worst either. Give it a try yourself. Cheers.